Let us begin by finding a comfortable lying position with the body so that you are nice and relaxed. Now, taking in several deeper than normal breaths, becoming more and more relaxed, and gently allowing the eyes to close if that feels safe and right for you. And if not, you may choose to keep the eyes slightly open with the gaze soft and unfocused, relaxed and comfortable, trusting in your intuition as to what feels right for you. Inviting into this present moment a sense of peacefulness, calm, tranquility, and complete and total relaxation. Now, directing your attention to the physical sensations of breathing, wherever you notice them most vividly. You may do this by focusing your attention on the breath in one of three places. The first being the nostrils of the nose, perhaps noticing a coolness of temperature on the in-breath and a slight warmth on the out-breath. And just following the sensations of the breath in this present moment as best you can. The second place you may choose to rest your attention on is the chest. Perhaps noticing the movement of the chest rising on the inhalation and the falling of the chest on the exhalation. You may even find it helpful to place one or both hands on the chest, just to feel the movement of the breath. And the third place you may direct your attention to is in the belly, or the diaphragm, and sensing into the movement of this area with each cycle of breathing. Noticing the inflation of the abdomen on the in-breath and the deflation on the exhale. Allowing the breath to simply be as it is naturally in this present moment, calm and relaxed. Allowing the breath to find its own organic rhythm and just allowing everything to be as it is. With each inhalation, becoming more and more peaceful, calm, and relaxed. And with the power of your intention on the exhalation, choosing now to let go and relinquish any and all tension, stress, fear, doubt, worry, shame, guilt, and anything else that's negative, any negative thoughts, emotions, or energy that is being held in the body or mind. Exhaling and letting them go. And on the next incoming breath, imagining breathing in a purifying golden mist into your lungs that cycles throughout to remove any negativity, and breathing in a loving, healing, kind, and creative energy that we will use to work with today. Now, continuing to use the power of your imagination, which is a very powerful tool, imagining the formation of a pyramid of radiant white light encompassing the entirety of your physical body, so that you are completely and totally protected, safe, and free from worry, fear, doubt, and any negative outside influence. You are completely and totally safe and protected. Protected and safe inside this beautiful pyramid of white light. Continuing to stay present as best you can, breathing in and breathing out, and gently allowing the breath to work its magic, and allowing the body and mind to become even more peaceful, calm, relaxed, and serene. And now, continuing to develop the power of your mind and visualizing yourself in the most beautiful place in the entire world that you can imagine. This is your personal oasis and happy place. This could be a meadow, a beach, a lake, a mountain, a forest, anywhere that places you in an expanded vibration of joy and happiness. As you tune into the feeling of this physical environment, letting in the sensations of what it would feel like to experience the breeze, the sky, the sunshine, and the absolute beauty of the place that you have chosen. Perhaps even noticing the birds, wildlife in this ecosystem, and nature becoming even more and more calm and deeper relaxed and peaceful. Breathing in and letting go, and breathing out. Now, directing your attention into your heart and tuning into how your heart feels now, and scanning your entire awareness and consciousness for the most wondrous, beautiful, and loving images, memories, people, and events that you can picture in your mind. For some, this may be an image of a newborn child or animal, the image of a loving partner, a dear friend, family member, alive or deceased, who you loved and who unconditionally loved you. This may also be a physical location or special place in nature. Perhaps you see yourself there now, and kindly allowing your heart to be filled with unconditional love and joy. Now, gently allowing the spark of love in your heart to ignite into a radiant and powerful beam of white light, becoming an increasingly powerful power plant and generator in our heart, remembering we are tethered, anchored, and grounded into our pyramid, and breathing in and on the out breath, projecting this powerful beam of white light up, up, and up into the sky, in infinity, and beyond, raising our consciousness into the universe, connecting in and plugging this powerful beam of energy into our higher mind, where we will be working in today. The higher mind contains the control panel for all the beliefs we hold dear and true about ourselves. Our beliefs and values run our lives, whether we are aware of them or not. Our beliefs then influence our feelings and emotions, which then influence our thoughts, actions, and behaviors. When our beliefs about ourselves and our world are in alignment, life can be wonderful and amazing. However, when our beliefs are out of alignment, then it is not only possible, but advisable to correct and rewrite the code and install the proper updates so that the operating system of our unconscious mind has the most precise, accurate, efficient, and true beliefs. The beliefs that we desire so that we can live our lives how we really want. And to know beyond a shadow of any doubt that this is possible, and we have this power. Our higher mind can be molded from raw clay with love, the ultimate healing frequency and creative energy. Tapping into the power of our higher mind with the skill of an elite surgeon or a savant artist, we will begin to rewrite, create, reinforce, and remember who we really are, using these words from a place of unconditional love. Nothing is impossible, and you are never stuck. You have always been loved and always been supported, especially when you have felt all alone, for you are never alone. Anything is possible, and your power is unlimited. Say these phrases mindfully and with a certainty of mind. I let go of any and all self-limiting and self-defeating core beliefs that hold any shame, guilt, anything negative, and anything else that is not in service to my highest good. I release them now to be transmuted as I remember I am powerful. Nothing scares me anymore. I walk with certainty and courage. I am free from fear and doubt. I have unlimited value. I am amazing. I am amazing because I have unlimited value. I am more than good enough. I am worthy. I am loved. And I am powerful. Because I am strong, I forgive others who have hurt not only me, but the people I love. Because I am courageous, I forgive myself for the hurt I have caused others knowingly and unknowingly. For love is a superpower which I use to heal myself and others. In doing so, I free myself from the bondage of holding anger and resentment towards others. I am able to do this because I am strong and I am loved, and I am free to choose the life I want. I have unlimited potential, and I know this. I deserve love, joy, and happiness. I am grateful for my life and the life I am now creating. I am unafraid of risks and take advantage of unseen opportunities. I am immensely confident. I remember I have always been worthy. I have always belonged. I have always been deserving. And I have always been capable of achieving my dreams. I dare to dream now of ideas that excite me. I trust my heart that is healing and overflowing with love. I now know my value is unlimited. I am powerful and courageous. I am free from anxiety and depression. I know this to be true. I engrave these words into my higher mind as my empowering new core beliefs. I give thanks and gratitude to myself for taking the time to practice and install these new core beliefs. And so it is. This practice has now come to a close, returning all of your consciousness back down into your heart, feeling into your heart and what is good and the physical sensations of the body and the mind. Again, giving yourself a sense of gratitude and gently opening the eyes when you are ready to do so, and continue on with your day in a loving and powerful manner to create the life you want.